If you are the kind of instructor that looks for better ways to engage your audience and make sure they assimilate newly acquired information, this video tutorial is for you. Since you are already familiar with the segmenting principle, you know that user-paced segments are better than a continuous presentation. And what a better way to increase information retention than the self-assessment tool for learning, the Pop Quiz. Let's take a look at the following 4 easy steps and bring your presentation to the next level. Number 1. Remember that colors are a powerful tool in communication, so choose the best suitable palette that sets your presentation smooth while following design principles. If you would like to know more about design principles applied to presentations, please click the link below. Number 2. For this interactive pop quiz segmentation, you need 5 slides. 1 indicating the end of your first presentation segment, 1 with a pop quiz question and optional answers, 1 to let the learner know he or she have chosen the wrong answer and have to review the last portion of the presentation, 1 indicating the answer is correct and let the learner know he or she can move forward, and 1 last slide indicating a new presentation segment. A total of 5 slides, 2 indicators, and 3 with interactive hyperlinks for your pop quiz. As educators, our role is to create the appropriate learning environment, and words of encouragement are a great tool to make it possible. So, instead of wrong, use the phrase, "Let's try it again." This signals the learner that they are wrong and need to review the previous materials. And rather than correct, use the short phrase, "You did it." Number 3. It is time to create all hyperlinks required for your interactive pop quiz. This simple diagram helps us to understand the flow of information. There are 3 main elements: segment number 1, the quiz, and segment number 2. The rest are the possible answers and their specific following actions. Let's see how it's done in the following video. If it helps to follow the process, you can download and print the information flow diagram on the link below. Number 4. Remember to test your interactive pages. A broken link interferes in the learning process and damages your reputation. Now that you know how to create an interactive quiz and apply it for segmenting your next presentation, click the subscribe button and share.